Welcome to math class or math lessons. Our title is solving linear equation with one unknown, part 2. And in part 1 we discussed about the definition of linear equation, what is linear equation. Now we want to solve some examples of the linear equations. How to solve the linear equations. Example. Solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. X minus 7 is equal to 10. Now we want to solve this equation for x, and in order to keep the x, only the x, we should remove the minus 7 from the beside the x. What we do by using the addition axiom, by using addition axiom. Addition axiom, we say that if we add same number at both sides of the equation, there is no change in the equation. Now what we do, we add plus 7 or positive 7 to both sides of the equations. This is like a scale. When we put some same amounts at both sides of the scale, there is no change in the scale. X minus 7 plus 7 is equal to x is equal to 10 plus 7. We add the 7 at both sides of the equation, and there is no, according to addition axiom, there is no change in the equation. Now what we do, minus 7 cancel with the positive 7, here remaining only x. X is equal to 10 plus 7 is 17. The answer is 17. It means that the x is 17, or the answer for the equation is 17. Now, now x is 17. Another example. Solve the following equation. solve the following equation. X plus 9 is equal to 13. Now here beside the x is positive 9, and we should put a number that should be opposite of the positive 9, that is negative 9, to just remove this one from this beside the x. Now we use the subtraction axiom. Subtraction axiom. Subtraction axiom. According to subtraction axiom, we can subtract same number from both sides of the equation. Means that x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 13 minus 9. Plus 9 cancel with the negative 9. Here remaining x is equal to 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Now how can we check? Now we check this one, that is correct or not. For checking that one, we use the substitution axiom. It means that we put the value of x, that is 4, in the main equation. It means that x plus 9 is equal to 13. Now we put instead of the x 4 plus 9 is equal to 13, and 4 plus 9 is 13, means that 13 is equal to 13. Here we added numbers for 7, opposite of negative 7 is positive 7 on both sides of equations. Here we subtract minus 9 from both sides of the equation. Okay. Now I solve another example for you. Example solve and check the following solve and check the following equation. Solve and check the following equation. X over 5 is equal to 4. Now we see that the 5 is in the denominator of x. It means that it's in the division condition with the x. to keep the x alone, we should multiply both sides by the 5 to the 5 cancel with the 5 according to multiplication axiom. According to multiplication axiom, we can multiply both sides of the equation with the same number. It means that x over 5 times 5 is equal to 4 times 5. Now the 5 will be cancelled with the 5, here remaining only x. X is equal to 4 times 5 is equal to 20. The answer for this equation is 20. Now we check that the answer is correct or not. Check the answer. What we do, instead of the equation and then equation, instead of the unknown, that is x, we can put the value of the x that is coming by the answer. It means that from here, instead of x, we can write 20 over 5 is equal to 4. And we know that 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4, and 4 is equal to 4. So now this equation is correct. Another example, solve and check the following. Solve and check the following equation. Solve and check the following equation. X 3x is equal to 12. We want to remove the 3 from here. We should divide both sides by the same number according to division axiom. Division axiom. Three x divided by 3 is equal to 12 divided by 3. We divide both sides by the same number, 3. 3 cancel with 3, here remaining x. X is equal to 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. The answer is x is equal to 4. Now we check the answer is correct or not. Check the answer. We like the number, the answer instead of the unknown. 3x is equal to 12, and now 3 and instead of x is equal times 4 is equal to 12, and from here 3 times 4 is 12. 12 is equal to 12. Now we know that the answer is correct for this equation. Now there is another example. Solve and check. Solve and check the following equation. Solve and check the following equation. 3y plus 2 is equal to 17. First of all, we should remove the 2 from the side of the 3y. Now, according to subtraction axiom, now we use the subtraction axiom. 3y plus 2 minus 2 opposite of plus 2 is equal to 17 minus 2, and from here 3y plus 2 cancel with the minus 2, 3y is equal to 15. Now here we use the division axiom. Means that 3y over 3 is equal to 15 over 3. 3 cancel with 3. Here remaining y is equal to 5. The answer for this equation is 5. Now we check the answer is correct or not. What we do, we put the price of the or the value of the y is equal to 3 instead of that one, and now check the answer. 3 times instead of y 5 is plus 2 is equal to 17. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 is equal to 17. So now this means that we check that the answer is correct. Another example, solve the equation and check the answer or the result. Z over 4 minus 6 is equal to 10. Now we use the addition axiom. Instead of addition we can write addition axiom. According to addition axiom, Z over 4 minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 6. We add 6 both sides of the equation. 6 cancelled with minus 6, Z over 4 is equal to 16. Z over 4 is equal to 16. Now what can we do? We did, according to the multiplication axiom, we multiply both sides with the same number, 4. 4 cancelled with the 4. Here remaining Z is equal to 16 times 4 is 64. The answer is 64. Now we check the answer, that's correct or not. Instead of Z, we put the 64 over 4 minus 6 is equal to 10. 64 minus divided by 4 is 16. 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 is equal to 10. So the answer is correct. I think this is enough for the solving equations of the one unknown. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends, and please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a great and wonderful days and nights. Bye bye.